I have been in business for over 35 years, and for most of those years, I've been hemorrhaging. And it's not because I hadn't been working hard, and it's not because my faith wasn't real. It's because I really didn't have the system to capture things that I didn't even know I was missing. Did you know 62% of all the calls that come into small businesses go unanswered? I didn't know that. And of those 62% of calls, 85% of those people never call back. And in all honesty, I didn't know that was really affecting me until I put my numbers to it. Here's what I did know. The great I am, the name that God gave Moses at the burning bush, he predates every algorithm ever created or ever will be created. And he is not intimidated by any of them. What he asked Moses is the same thing he's asking me. What is that in your hand? That one question, after I read that in the Bible, changed the way I'm doing business. And it's the question that this community is built around. The Melchizedek model is where Christian business owners can come together in a community and not have to choose between Sunday and Monday, between kingdom and revenue, where they can do both all the time, as Jesus modeled when he walked on the earth. When you join, the first thing I want you to do is listen to my book, I Am Greater Than AI. It's free inside this very community. Then I want you to take the I Am audit. By the time your 7-day trial ends, you'll know exactly where you're leaking and what you need to build next. The 7-day trial is free. There's no pressure. You can come in, look around, and you can decide for yourself. I hope you choose to join us. I'll see you on the inside.